Baby, it ripped off our whole fence.
And hiding there. Yeah, where the lounge is, alright? That's where it's heading. Yeah, so where the lounge is, move the lounge out if you have to and get against that wall. Right, hide in behind the lounge. Okay?